So these are the about 10 euro bone conduction headphones. Not really, there is the hole here. There is just one speaker inside. It's already missing the USB cover. It didn't last long, it was not installed correctly, so it did fall off. So basically just trash from AliExpress. I didn't even open this put or anything, just useless. These are 26 euros 39 cents and A5X Sanag. Basically why I did order these is that there is picture of these in the product, and when you click that picture it's giving you this picture, but the model is different. So if you take the other model and take that model back, it's showing picture of these. So that is really scam way to do that. And I didn't want to sell or get this model from the same seller because I don't want to support the scammers using the fake pictures or the different pictures in the different products. So I did find a new seller who didn't sell any other models, just these in the same product page. So 26 euros or 27 euros almost. At least the product package is way better. Those headphones did ship only with the white package, where there was like some Chinese lady on the top of the pack and nothing else. Okay. 26 euros, the package quality is pretty damn good. We have the same style like Desing, but this is the matte finish. And the headband or this wire or cable here is a lot smaller than over there. We have the USB cover, USB-C, and it's correctly installed, it's not falling off. The cover doesn't really stay here, I don't know why. Really tight if you want to. Now it's installed, like close it. We don't have any holes here, so we have this is like rubber, not plastic like those, the cheap one, the knockoff. So this is rubber, more comfy at the head. So power button is top and volume is down, what is pretty nice. So you cannot mix the buttons when you are trying to figure out what is the right button for you. So it's saying Sanag A5X, nothing fancy here. I don't really wait anything fancy with these, but we get the USB-C cable, what is pretty nice also to get. And we have even the warranty card and 12 months warranty, nice. So easy. So let's see how easy is this to install, like. On-off key, multifunction key, charging interface, volume down, previous song, short press, volume down, long press, previous song, mic call port, volume up, next song, press volume up, long press, so yeah. And the mic is number 5. Power here, volume up, volume down, and charging port, and the microphone is here. I don't know, oh that is the status LED. But how you connect the Bluetooth, that is the multifunction key. First of the long press multifunction button for 3 seconds in the blue light will always. Light is always on for 1 second, then red blue light is alternative flashes. Okay, let's go and test this with the PC.